This is the first numerical in moment distribution method. We have considered two span continuous as the first numerical. This question had appeared in April 2016 question paper and for 9 marks. Okay, let us start doing this. Let us start solving this. A two span continuous beam is simply supported. Okay, I have named them as A, B and C, such that AB is 5 meters and BC is 3 meters. Span AB carries UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter over its entire span. So only AB over entire span, that is 10 kilonewton per meter. AB is equal to 2I, that is the flexure, that is the moment of inertia is given 2I, and BC is 1.5 times I. Analyze the beam using moment distribution method. Draw BMD and SFT. So let us start. What is the first step? We know these are the steps to follow. Assume all members of the given beam fixed and calculate fixed end moments. So let us start. Step number 1. Assume all members of the given beam fixed and calculate fixed end moments. Okay, so what I will do, I will consider span AB first. This is A and B. Okay, ignore BC, and I am considering each span. This is one span, this is second span. So I am considering each span as fixed, and there is UDL over this 10 kilonewton per meter. This is 5 meters. So what am I supposed to calculate? MF AB, like we did in previous chapter, and MF BA. So I am going to write here MF AB is minus WL square by 12. Here what is W? 10 into 5 square divided by 12. So how much is that? It is minus 20.83 kilonewton meter. Similarly, MFBA is equal to positive WL square by 12. So it is the same value but positive in sign. So we got MFAB and MFBA. Similarly, consider BC as fixed, and so we calculate MFBC and MFCB. Okay, but given that there is no load on this span, so what will be MFBC and MFCB? Equal to 0. So this completes our first step. Second step is very simple. We have already learned this. Determine the distribution factors. Okay, determine the distribution factors. So we have joint, we have member in the second column, we have stiffness factor, then we have total stiffness, and finally distribution factor. Okay, so joint, there is only one joint, joint B. Member BA and BC. So BA, far end is simply supported. So what will be stiffness? 3EI by L, which is equal to 3, substitute for I, that is 2EI by 5. Similarly, BC, C end is simply supported. So stiffness is 3EI by L. Again, value will be 3 into 1.5 EI divided by 3. Add this to, this is 6 divided by 5 EI, and this is 4.5 by 3 EI. So 1.2 EI plus 1.5 EI. This is 2.7 times EI. Now 1.2 EI divided by 2.7 EI is equal to 0.44. This is 1.5 EI divided by 2.7 EI, which is equal to 0.56. Give a check. 0.44 plus 44 plus 0.56 is 1. Yes, it is equal to 1. So this completes your second step.